Here's the most expensive mistake in software. You spend months heads down building a product, you launch it proudly, and silence. Nobody uses it because you asked the wrong question. You asked, how do I build this? Instead of, does anyone actually want this? That's exactly what an MVP fixes. MVP stands for minimum viable product, the smallest version that actually works. And be careful, it is not a broken, half-finished product. It's the leanest thing that solves one real job, end to end. The goal isn't to impress. The goal is to learn. The numbers are brutal. Around 90% of new products fail. And the number one reason isn't technical. It's building something perfectly that nobody actually wanted. So the real risk isn't in your code. It's in what you choose to build. Most developers obsess over technical risk. Will it work? Will it scale? But the bigger risk is market risk. Will anyone actually want this? An MVP lets you answer that question cheaply before you write a mountain of code. Think of your MVP not as a product, but as an experiment. Build it. Put it in front of real users. Measure and learn. The faster you can spin this loop, the sooner you find the right product. Speed is everything here. Now, 3 traps. 1. Perfectionism. You polish the logo, the colors, the internals for months before anyone has even seen it. But users don't care. If you're not a little embarrassed by your first version, you shipped too late. 2. Feature creep. Let's add this and this too. And suddenly you've built a giant with 20 features and 0 users. Every feature you add delays your launch and makes learning harder. Do one thing well and let users ask for the rest. 3. Never shipping. Just one more week to get it ready, and that week never ends. A product you never launch is a product that never existed. Learning only starts when a real user shows up. So how do you get it right? 1. Pick a single problem. Not everything for everyone. Solve one specific pain for one specific person really well. Start narrow and sharp, then expand. 2. Do it by hand. Before you code everything, solve the problem manually. Handle it behind the scenes, even if the user never knows. Do things that don't scale, because first, you need proof the solution works. Automation comes later. 3. The 1-week rule. If you can't ship your MVP in a week, your scope is still too big. Cut it down. Small and real always beats big and imaginary. And measure, but not likes, not applause. Do people come back and use it again? Would they tell a friend? That's the real signal. Looks cool is cheap. Coming back is expensive. Today, with AI and vibe coding, you can ship an MVP in hours, not days. So there are no more excuses. The bottleneck isn't code, it's choosing the right problem. Build small, ship fast, learn, and repeat. Subscribe for more on building products that actually make money. See you in the next one.